Bananas are everywhere. You'll find them in your kitchen, school lunches, smoothies, cereals, and maybe even in your favorite dessert. They are sweet, soft, and easy to eat that most of us grab them without a second thought. But here's the surprising truth. This simple yellow fruit is much more than just a convenient snack. Scientists have discovered that bananas are packed with a powerful mix of nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can benefit your body in ways most people don't realize. From your heart to your brain and even your mood, bananas quietly work behind the scene to keep you healthy. In this video, we are going to reveal 8 amazing health benefits of bananas. You will also learn how to eat them for maximum effect and discover some science-backed secrets that might completely change the way you think about this humble fruit. By the end, you'll see why bananas are one of the smartest foods you can eat every day. 1. Bananas as a nutrient powerhouse. Let's start with the basics. Why bananas are so good for your body. Even though they might seem simple, bananas are loaded with nutrients that your body needs every single day. Potassium, about 422 milligrams on a medium banana. Potassium is a crucial mineral that helps regulate your body pressure, maintain fluid balance, and support proper muscles and nerve function. Think of it as a natural spark plug for your body. Without it, your muscles and nerves can't fire properly. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for brain development and for making neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which affect your mood, focus, and mental clarity. In other words, eating bananas could actually help your brain stay sharp and your mood stable. Vitamin C. Bananas aren't just sweet. They also help protect your body. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, fights off free radicals, and even helps your skin stay healthy and glowing. Fiber. A medium banana contains about 3 grams of fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber helps prevent constipation, regulates blood sugar, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Even though bananas taste sweet, they are naturally fat-free and low in calories, making them a perfect snack for almost everyone. So the next time someone says bananas are just sugar, you can comfortably tell them they are nature's multivitamin in a pill. 2. Heart health and blood pressure. Bananas are especially great for your heart, and the reason comes down to one main nutrient: potassium. Potassium helps your heart pump effectively and keeps your blood pressure under control. Studies have shown that diets high in potassium lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke, which is a leading cause of death worldwide. Bananas also contain dietary fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels. Lower cholesterol means your arteries stay cleaner, reducing strain on your heart and lowering the risk of heart disease. In fact, research suggests that people who eat bananas regularly may have a lower risk of cardiovascular problems compared to those who don't. So yes, your favorite snack could actually help keep your heart beating strong for years to come. To maximize heart benefits, combine bananas with other potassium-rich foods like leafy greens, sweet potatoes, or avocados. This combination supports balanced blood pressure and overall heart health. 3. Energy boost and workout benefits. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, and for good reason. Unlike processed snacks or energy drinks, bananas give your body natural, clean energy that your muscles and brain can use immediately. Here's why. Natural sugars. Bananas contain a mix of glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Glucose is absorbed quickly into your bloodstream, giving you an instant energy boost, while fructose and sucrose are absorbed more slowly, providing sustained energy over time. This combination prevents the sudden sugar crash you often get from candy or sodas. On to fiber. The fiber in bananas, especially pectin, slows down the absorption of sugar. This means your energy is released gradually, keeping you powered up for longer workouts or busy days. Athlete favorite. Many professional athletes eat bananas before workouts to fuel endurance and after workouts to replenish glycogen, the energy stored in your muscles. Research shows that bananas can help reduce exercise-induced muscle damage and speed up recovery. For long-lasting energy, try pairing a banana with a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, or a scoop of peanut butter. The protein and healthy fats slow digestion even more, keeping you fueled for hours. So next time you need a quick boost for school, work, or the gym, reach for a banana instead of sugary snacks. You'll feel the difference. 4. Digestion and gut health. Bananas are more than just easy to digest. They are actually gut-friendly superfoods. Prebiotics. Bananas contain prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Healthy gut bacteria are linked to better immunity, improved metabolism, and even a more positive mood. Think of prebiotics as fertilizers for your gut garden. They help the beneficial bacteria thrive. Fiber. The fiber in bananas, especially pectin, helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. It acts like a gentle broom for your digestive tract, keeping everything moving smoothly. Resistant starch. Green, less ripe bananas contain resistant starch, a special type of fiber that isn't digested in the small intestine. Instead, it reaches the large intestine where it acts as food for beneficial bacteria. This can improve the gut, support metabolism, and even help with weight management. So whether you're enjoying your bananas green or yellow, this humble fruit is quietly working behind the scenes to keep your gut happy and healthy. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with ripe bananas. They are easier to digest, but green bananas are excellent if you want a gut health boost. 5. Mood and brain health. Did you know that bananas can actually boost your mood and support brain function? Bananas are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid your body converts into serotonin, the happy hormone. Serotonin helps regulate your mood, sleep, and appetite, which is why eating a banana can make you feel more relaxed and focused. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is crucial for producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals affect memory, focus, and emotional balance, meaning bananas are a small fruit with a big impact on your brain. Studies suggest that regularly eating bananas may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Think of the combined effect: tryptophan, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. Imagine eating a simple fruit that naturally boosts your mood, improves focus, and even helps your brain stay sharp. Sounds like a win-win, right? So next time you are feeling stressed, tired, or a little down, peeling a banana might just be the easiest, tastiest way to lift your spirit. 6. Weight management and satiety. Bananas can actually be a powerful ally for weight control, and it's all thanks to their fiber and nutrient composition. Feeling full for longer. The fiber in bananas slows down digestion, which helps you feel satisfied for longer after eating. This means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods between meals or overeat at the next meal. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Despite being naturally sweet, bananas are relatively low in calories, about 90 to 110 per medium banana, but they pack a lot of nutrition. You're getting vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without consuming excessive calories. Green bananas and resistant starch. Green, less ripe bananas are rich in resistant starch, a type of fiber that the body doesn't digest immediately. The stomach slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, control hunger, and support weight management. Snacks matter, not harder. Bananas help you do that effectively, giving you energy and nutrition without overloading your body with calories. Start your day with a banana paired with protein, like Greek yogurt or nut. It's a satisfying, nutrient-packed breakfast or snack that keeps you full until your next meal. 7. Antioxidants and disease prevention. Bananas aren't just sweet. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your body caused by free radicals. Dopamine. While dopamine is often thought of as a brain chemical, it also acts as an antioxidant in bananas. It helps neutralize harmful molecules, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Catechins. Another antioxidant found in bananas. Catechins are linked to lower blood pressure, reduced risk of heart disease, and improved brain function. Chronic disease prevention. Regular banana consumption may reduce the risk of chronic conditions caused by oxidative stress, including heart disease, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and other inflammation-related illnesses. So beyond just giving you energy and supporting your mood, bananas are quietly working to protect your cells and keep your body healthy for the longer time. Pair bananas with other antioxidant-rich foods like berries and nuts to supercharge your body's defense system. Tips for getting most out of bananas. To maximize all the benefits we've covered, here are some practical tips for eating bananas. Eat them ripe. Yellow bananas with a few brown spots are sweeter, easier to digest, and packed with antioxidants. Mix colors. Green bananas are higher in resistant starch, which support gut health and weight management. Yellow bananas are rich in antioxidants and easier to digest. Pair wisely. Combine bananas with protein or healthy fats like nuts, yogurt, or peanut butter. This balances blood sugar, keeps you full for longer, and makes a more satisfying snack. Freeze them. Freezing bananas are perfect for smoothies, healthy ice cream, or a cold snack. They also make a delicious guilt-free dessert that still gives you all the nutrients. By choosing the right banana and pairing it smartly, you can unlock its full power, boosting your energy, supporting your gut, improving your mood, and even protecting your heart and brain. So the next time you grab a banana, remember, it's not just a simple snack. It's a heart protector, mood booster, natural energy bar, gut friend, and disease fighter, all in one. The really amazing part, most people eat bananas without thinking about all these benefits and miss out. But now, armed with this knowledge, you can enjoy bananas in ways that truly supercharge your health. So tell me, what's the banana secret you are excited to try first? Are you going green for gut health, pairing it with nuts for long-lasting energy, or just serving that sweet, ripe yellow perfection? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves bananas as much as you do, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out more surprising health secrets from everyday foods. Remember, your next snack could be more powerful than you ever imagined.